Diaper Bag Backpack. Rusuer Nappy Bags Multifunction by Moffat is one of the best baby diaper disposal bags products. 2X stroller straps Oxford cloth. Multifunction and clear compartments. The diaper bag includes 3 insulated pockets, 2 wet clothes pockets, USB port, side tissue pockets and other pockets, to meet all the demands of you and your babies. The separate partition help you organize the items in order, and wide open design let you know the things position clearly at first glance. Unparalleled design, there are 3 insulated pockets in the first compartment so that they are enough for you to put baby's milk bottle, water bottle and keep warm. What's more, the diaper backpack is designed with a USB port so that it is extremely convenient for you to charge the phone holding in your hand by putting the power bank in the backpack. Power bank is not included. Extremely practicable, owning 2 stroller straps, handy for fixing the diaper bag on the baby stroller. The gender-neutral color is suitable for women or men. The backpack is stylish and fashionable, so it can be used as a backpack, handbag or tote bags and suitable for traveling, shopping etc. Also, it can be as a baby shower gift. Large capacity. 42-27-21 cm size gives you plenty of rooms to put all the things baby needs in one diaper backpack, and you will not feel in mess longer when you carry the baby out. 14 pockets will be met your needs, plus, there is a key ring belt in the main compartment so that you can find the keys in the first time. Durable waterproof material. The manufacturer's baby diaper bag used the high-quality breathable Oxford fabric, which is anti-water and dirty-proof and easy to wipe clean. There is no worry the backpack will get dirty when the milk spill on it or you put it on the ground.